Look at what I just got from Sephora. I am so freaking excited, so let's see what's in it. This was $35 on Sephora.com, and it comes with 4 full size and 2 travel size. First, we have the Tower 28 lip balm jelly thing. I am in love. This is one of the main reasons I got it, plus full size. I think this was $16. The whole thing was only $35. Next, we have the one size lip liner in Out of Line. This is my first one size product. This was $14, so the total was already $30. And y'all already know this Laneige lip glowy balm, an absolute favorite of mine. I already own 2 of these. Next, we have the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk Medium. This is already $35, so it's pretty much getting like everything else for free. Lastly, we have the travel size products. This is a Givenchy lip balm, and I just wanted to show the case because how pretty is that case. Last but not least, we have the NARS lip pigment in Dragon Candy.